Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we are going to analyze the S&P chart. We are going to understand how the market is behaving right now at this moment and what are my own thoughts and insights for it for the rest of the week. I told you guys on my Friday's video on Tesla that we have, historically speaking, statistically speaking, we have 70% of chances of going up this week. Okay, despite this drop, it seems it is such a crazy thing to say that we are gonna go up this week with a very strong red day as we see today. But yes, historically speaking, we have 70% chances of going up, and I'm not gonna repeat myself over here. Just watch my Friday's video if you want to understand my logic, why I'm saying such craziness over here. Okay, so remember to watch my Friday's video. Now let's focus on the indices, especially on the S&P. We see the S&P dropping sharply, but guys, I really like this shadow, okay? The shadow under today's candlestick, all right? I really like this movement. What this movement indicates to us? Well, the S&P dropped sharply. We already opened it at a gap, and then we dropped it so sharply. However, for some reason, people bought aggressively the S&P. People aggressively bought stocks over here and it bounced back up all the way above the previous support level, which is this black line. We lost all the short-term support levels. Now we are retesting this support level and we are doing a very good reaction. The bull trend was not reversed yet. Okay, if it's gonna be reversed, I don't know. I don't need to know. I don't care. What I know is that, okay, we are still in a bull trend. Since we lost this purple trend line, the bull trend got weaker. Okay, it got weaker. It didn't reverse per se, but it got weaker, yes. We might expect some sideways movements, some erratic movements from here, but this point is working as a short-term support level for us. Right now, I think it's the best moment for the S&P to react, and we are trying to react. The candlestick pattern over here, it is looking very good. I think that's the beginning of a good reversal, and if you want to buy the dip, if you are one of these guys that want to buy the dip, now is the best time for you. Why? Because we just retested a support level, we just did another gap, and this gap clearly looks like an exhaustion gap to me. I don't know yet, maybe not, maybe it's just a common gap, but since we are near a support level, the chances are that it is an exhaustion gap, indicating to us that the bear trend is showing signs of exhaustion. We have another gap over here, which I believe it's going to be filled at some point. Okay, so bullish reaction in the 1 hour chart, in the daily chart as well, near support level, after doing a gap. In the weekly chart, we can see clearly the support level. Statistically speaking, historically speaking, the NASDAQ has 70% chances of going up after a 10% drop from its peak. So last week we dropped more than 10%. Right now we have 70% chances of going up this week, closing on green territory against Friday's close. Okay, so that's how I see the situation. The 10-year yields. We did a dark cloud cover pattern last week. It's not a dark cloud cover pattern. Maybe it is just a spinning bottom. I'm so sorry, spinning top candlestick pattern. We did a top pattern just after we hit this resistance, which was this resistance over here. All right, we just hit this point, and now we are dropping as usual. We are retesting the EMA, yes. We might bounce back up again, yes. However, look in the weekly chart. This candlestick was so ugly, was so bearish. I do believe we're gonna see a pullback to the EMA in the weekly chart, indicating to us that yes, the indices still could go up. Many stocks are doing very good and strong signs over here, like Tesla, like Lucid. Lucid is doing a spinning bottom candlestick pattern in a bottom area. That's quite interesting. Rivian is trying to do a hammer candlestick pattern. The volume is increasing nicely. So we have many good signs. Facebook, hammer candlestick pattern. Amazon, spinning bottom. Apple is not reacting, but it seems it's holding at its support level, which is this point over here, okay? Resistance once, support level twice. That's an amazing point to buy Apple. If you want to buy Apple for the long term, I think now is the time for you. Nvidia, we almost retested the previous support level, but we don't have any clear reaction. Google doing a bullish reaction as well, just after we hit the support area again. So yes, it is looking good. Microsoft is also looking pretty good. A fantastic shadow under today's candlestick pattern, doing a hammer candlestick pattern today. So we see many good reactions. I think right now the S&P, the indices, and many other stocks are doing their dips. However, we must trade wisely. If the stocks lose their support levels again, okay, maybe right now is not necessarily the dip. Maybe we should wait for a better reaction. Maybe it was too soon indeed for us, but the risk-reward ratio is making sense. And that's how we traders work. We always work with risk-reward ratio. That's the main difference between traders and gamblers, all right? Gamblers just trade without any technique. True speculators trade basing their thoughts on technical analysis, price action, data, statistics, and etc. So that's the main difference between us. And in this channel, you only hear my insights on price action, technical analysis, statistical, historical data, and etc. And if you liked this video, remember, well, you must have liked it, right? I mean, why are you still watching this video? Remember to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. I will update you guys on more stocks on Tesla this Wednesday, okay? Wednesday's video is going to be exclusively on Tesla. So thank you, my friends, for your support. I really appreciate it. Stay safe. Farewell.